This is an amazing full spectrum UV-free light therapy lamp that I love for getting through winter blues or even helping with seasonal affective disorder. And I also love it as a great light source when filming content, way better than the typical ring lights. I was sent this to review from La Star, so let me show you a closer look, including assembly. This is the base, super heavy. Nice bottom there. It says it features UV-free LED, timer, and full spectrum light. The user's manual has a nice visual guide of how to assemble it, super easy. Here is everything unboxed, ready to assemble. First, you're gonna insert this into the lamp head. Then you take out the screws from this set and the little screwdriver. Comes with everything you need. And you're just gonna screw these two to connect this. Then you're just gonna screw on the two holes. Really nice coated steel. And last but not least, you're gonna screw it into the base. There we go. This is your power cord. It's gonna plug in right back here. And it's got a really long cord, making it super easy to use wherever. Got a 2-prong non-polarized plug. It also comes with 4 cord management clips. Just snap them on and your cord snaps in here. Boom. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. The final step is installing the batteries, which it comes with, into the remote. It just takes 2 AAA batteries. So here you can control everything right on the remote. Super handy, visually easy to understand as well. You can also control everything right here on the lamp itself, which is so helpful. Set the timer, 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. Adjust the brightness here, the color modes here, and then of course, turn off. It has a really sturdy bottom, but it's lightweight, so you can just move it around room to room if needed. You can rotate the angle of this to get like the perfect angle if you're sitting down or whatever, for reading, for light therapy. And you can also adjust the height by simply removing one of those rods from the pole. There are 168 lamp beads in here and a whopping 20 lighting modes with 4 temperatures that you control with these buttons. Here is 6000K warm, 5000K, 4000K, and 3000K super cool. You've also got 5 brightness levels with this middle button going all the way to the highest brightness level on whichever temperature you've got it on. So let's say we'll go down and then you can, boom, go to the highest. The lighting levels range from 5%, where it's like you can barely tell it's on, 20, 50, 70, and 100% being 12,000 lux. This is the coffee setting, the book reading setting, the gaming setting, and the computer setting. This is the moon setting, so those are presets. One touch max light. I like to use mine in tandem with my back massager. For my creators, it's not marketed as this, but it makes great lighting. If you don't have a window you can film in front of, watch this. So good, the lighting. Change the temperatures and then dim it just a little. Like, look at that. Amazing. So, so good for content creation and lighting for filming. The gaming preset is what I have it on now. I think is probably the best. I absolutely love this lamp. I love it for just feeling better, waking up in the morning on days when we don't have sunny days, or in the winter when it's just like blah every day. Really, really great. And I love it for filming content as well. You don't have to worry about your eye or skin damage. It's just really nice lighting without the UV. It's perfection.